Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for those who are returning, and welcome for those who are new. So I just wanted to show my little baby. It is the Micro Florentine Satchel, and I used her this weekend and we did a lot of Christmas shopping, birthday parties, and a lot of festivities. So I loved carrying her, y'all. And she is just gorgeous. I'm actually at work. I didn't switch out my handbag to a bigger bag like I normally do because I was in a rush. We have a Christmas party, potluck. So I had to get some things. I totally forgot something on the list because I had everything all like packed up and all set. And I was like, in the middle of the night when all the stores were closed, I was like, oh my goodness, I totally forgot something. All right. So I am heading into the office right now. So I just wanted to let you know I really enjoy her. That section right there isn't too bad. I mean, yeah, I don't care. Back again. All right. I don't know. My car connected to my phone and it took the video out. I don't know. I'm still getting used to this vehicle, y'all. I'm enjoying my car. Anyway, I gotta go. All right. Bye. Okay, like by no means is this junk mail. It's like a donation envelope. So it is a big envelope. So for reference, you can see that the envelope size is definitely bigger than the handbag. But I'm going to shove it in there and it'll go in there. Like I said, if it's just junk mail that you want to put in there, okay, see? You can fit it in there, but it's going to be bent out of shape, but it'll fit. But I don't necessarily want to bend the envelope that I'm going to be putting in there. So just want to let you know that. So I'm carrying my little cutie pie, the Micro Florentine Satchel by Dooney and Bourke. And she is in the elephant color. And I just have my pom-pom and my AirPods here. And that section right there doesn't really bother me. I usually have my AirPods hanging anyway on my tiny handbags because it doesn't really fit on the inside. So I said that this looks more brown than gray. And look at the shirt that I'm wearing now. It's kind of like a faded brown. And look at this. It's a pretty color though, I have to say. But yeah, it has a lot more brown tone than it does have gray. Maybe if I went with the slate color, then it might be more gray, like grayish blue. But I did want the elephant color because I have seen it at the stores when I've gone on vacation, and I really liked the elephant color. I just never noticed that it was like a brownish gray. Anyway, regardless, she is adorable. I've already used her multiple times. We are at Costco. My husband ran in to get some stuff, and Edward's with me in the back seat right there. But anyway, this is what I have in her. I don't know if y'all are gonna be able to see this, but I have just my essentials. I've got my little pouch that has my lippies and everything in it. Before I get in there, I'll just show you what's in her first. I've got my nano planner. It's a journal and planner, and it's by Chic Sparrow. It is the Moreland leather or Moreland color, and it's the Austin leather line. I have this little pouch that has a slit in here. I have band-aids because I wash my hands like a million times a day, and I forget to... Edward! Oh, he just farted. Gross. Edward, that's disgusting. Now I'm gonna have to roll down the window. Okay, so that's what I keep in there. And then in here, I have Kleenex, some Ricolas, because during the winter, it's good to have something like that. I have, this is just a Dillard's bag, just in case it rains. I don't like my Florentines getting wet. And then we got my keys. So the inside is pretty much empty. In the slip pocket right there, I have my mirror, my hand sanitizer, and then my clipper. And then that pocket is empty. And then in the zip pocket, I just have my coin case. I love this coin case. I really want to get it in black. Really wanted the Florentine. They don't have the Florentine right now in stock, but they have the pebble grain black, and I don't think it's black. I think it's just the regular black, and that one's on sale, but that's not the one I want. But I may get it. I don't know. We'll see. So that's it. That's really all the essentials that I need. Let me start putting this back. So I'm really enjoying this bag, y'all. I don't know why I waited so long to get it. It was like the last size that I had on my wish list. I was gonna get the micro before I got the nano, but I ended up getting the nano first. And then I got the mini, and then I got the micro, in that order in terms of the small sizes. I already had the large size and the regular size, which was originally the medium and the small, respectively. Let me show you what's in my Lippies bag. We have lady products. We got a doggy bag. We got lotion, my lipstick, another lipstick that it was empty. This is how much I had left in it, and I had my new one in there. I have my floss picks, a pen, chapstick, my allergy meds, my headache medicine, rubber bands and safety pins, my charger, just in case I need to charge it somewhere outside of the car or home or office, my measuring tape, my Listerine strips, perfume sampler, and that's it. That's empty. That is what I have in my Micro Satchel from Dooney and Bourke. I think it carries a good bit that I'm comfortable with, and I'm okay with what I have. I don't feel like I am limited. I think I'm more comfortable in this than I am in the nano size, because the nano size I can't really fit a whole lot. I do have to maneuver my things when I put them in. It doesn't just, you know, plop in there. Like, I actually have to organize it. Otherwise, I can't really, you know, like fit it in there. And that's that, y'all. Okay, there she is. See? I guess I should show you Edward. Edward! Say hello, Edward! Edward! Hey, hey! Edward! Edward! Say hello, Edward. Hi! Say hi, baby. Say hi. He's waiting for his dad. He's attached to his dad. I hope y'all enjoyed this what's in my bag and what fits. More to come, I guess, on, you know, how I like it. She is gorgeous. I am really enjoying her. I've had her now almost 2 weeks, I think. If you haven't seen the unboxing, I'll link it in the description below. And here comes Edward. He wants to sit. Okay, I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.